Hey everyone, are you ready to lose weight? Have you heard about the latest weight loss secret taking the internet by storm? It's everywhere. People are losing weight by using castor oil. Yes, you heard that right. That old bottle of castor oil in your grandma's medicine cabinet is now the hottest weight loss trend. But before you run to the store and buy a gallon of castor oil, there are some things you need to know. This isn't just some harmless old home remedy. There's a dark side to this viral trend. We're going to expose the truth about castor oil and why it might be doing more harm than good. Get ready to be shocked because we're diving deep into the world of risky weight loss hacks. Stick around, your health could depend on it. Let's be honest, we've all been tempted by those miracle weight loss solutions. They promise quick and easy results, and who wouldn't want that? But here's the shocking truth. The vast majority of these trends have little to no scientific backing. In fact, a recent study found that a staggering 72% of viral weight loss trends are completely unsubstantiated by science. That's right, those magic pills, fancy teas, and restrictive diets you see all over social media. They're often just clever marketing tactics designed to prey on our desire for a quick fix. And the worst part, these trends can actually be incredibly dangerous. From harmful ingredients to unsustainable practices, the risks often outweigh the potential benefits. It's time to stop falling for the hype and start prioritizing our health with evidence-based solutions. Stay tuned as we break down the truth about castor oil and why it's not the weight loss miracle it's being portrayed as online. Now let's talk about the power of social media. We've all seen those catchy hashtags and viral trends that spread like wildfire. And when it comes to weight loss, the internet is a breeding ground for both legitimate advice and downright dangerous misinformation. The hashtag #CastorOilWeightLoss alone has garnered millions upon millions of views. That's right, millions of people are watching, liking, and sharing these videos, convinced that castor oil is the secret to achieving their dream body. Influencers, with their perfectly toned physiques and persuasive testimonials, are quick to jump on the bandwagon, further fueling the flames of this viral trend. They showcase their supposed transformations, attributing their dramatic weight loss to this seemingly harmless oil. But what they don't tell you is that these transformations are often short-lived and come with a hefty price tag when it comes to your health. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement, especially when you're bombarded with endless before and after photos and glowing reviews. But it's crucial to remember that social media often presents a highly curated and unrealistic version of reality. Don't let those perfectly filtered photos and edited videos fool you. There's often more to the story than meets the eye. Here's a hard-hitting truth. Just because something is trending online doesn't make it true, safe, or effective. The sheer volume of social media content surrounding castor oil weight loss might make it seem like there's a mountain of evidence supporting its efficacy. However, the reality is quite the opposite. When we delve into the scientific literature, we find a shocking lack of research to back up these bold claims. The few studies that do exist are often small, poorly designed, and fail to provide any concrete evidence to support the use of castor oil for weight loss. In fact, many health professionals and researchers are baffled by the sudden rise of this trend, as it completely contradicts our current understanding of human physiology and weight management. It's crucial to remember that social media is primarily a platform for entertainment, not necessarily for disseminating accurate health information. Anyone can post anything online, regardless of its validity. Therefore, it's essential to approach health trends with a critical eye and seek out credible sources of information before jumping on the bandwagon. Let's talk about those enticing before and after photos that flood our social media feeds. You know the ones, dramatic transformations with seemingly effortless weight loss, all thanks to castor oil, or so they claim. But before you let envy and self-doubt creep in, it's important to remember that these photos can be incredibly misleading. In the age of filters, Facetune, and Photoshop, it's easier than ever to manipulate images and create the illusion of drastic change. Lighting, posing, clothing, and even subtle photo editing can drastically alter someone's appearance. making it nearly impossible to determine if any real weight loss has occurred. Furthermore, these before and after photos often fail to show the bigger picture. They don't reveal the unsustainable crash diets, the excessive exercise regimens, or the potential use of other weight loss supplements that might be contributing to the results. It's crucial to remember that true, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process that requires long-term lifestyle changes, not quick fixes or magic potions. Don't let deceptive before and after photos fool you into believing otherwise. Let's get down to what happens when you ingest castor oil. The weight loss is due to its potent laxative properties. Ricinoleic acid irritates the intestines, causing muscle contractions. This leads to frequent, urgent bowel movements. Essentially, diarrhea. The weight loss is temporary water weight, not fat loss. Don't confuse water weight loss with fat loss. So, you step on the scale after a round of castor oil-induced bathroom trips, and the number is lower. You're ecstatic. You finally found the miracle solution to your weight loss woes. But hold on a minute. Before you celebrate, it's crucial to understand that this initial weight loss is nothing more than an illusion. A temporary shift in water balance that will quickly rebound once you rehydrate and resume normal eating habits. Remember that ricinoleic acid we talked about? Its irritating effects on your intestines don't just trigger bowel movements. They also disrupt your body's natural fluid balance. Castor oil essentially forces your intestines to expel water along with waste products, leading to dehydration and a temporary reduction in water weight. Now, water weight fluctuates naturally throughout the day and can be influenced by factors like sodium intake, carbohydrate consumption, and hormonal changes. It's not inherently bad. In fact, our bodies need water to function properly. The problem with castor oil is that it induces an artificial and often drastic loss of water weight, which can create a false sense of progress and mask the fact that you're not actually losing any fat. Section 3. The rebound effect. Gaining it all back. Here's the harsh reality of relying on castor oil for weight loss. The rebound effect. Remember that initial excitement of seeing a lower number on the scale? Well, prepare to be disappointed, because that weight is almost guaranteed to come back, often faster than you lost it. As soon as you reintroduce food and fluids into your system, your body, desperately trying to recover from the dehydration and electrolyte imbalances caused by the castor oil, starts holding on to every ounce of water it can get. This rapid water retention can lead to bloating, discomfort, and yes, you guessed it, those lost pounds creeping back on. But it's not just about the water weight. The rebound effect also highlights the flawed logic behind using laxatives for weight loss in the first place. Castor oil doesn't magically erase calories or burn fat. It simply forces your body to eliminate waste more quickly. You're not addressing the root causes of weight gain, such as an unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, or underlying medical conditions. In fact, by relying on such extreme measures, you might be doing more harm than good, disrupting your gut health and jeopardizing your overall well-being. Beyond the bathroom. A look at the side effects. Castor oil weight loss is deceptive, often just water weight. The risks go beyond temporary scale changes. Ingesting castor oil can cause severe side effects. Severe stomach cramps are common. Ricinoleic acid irritates your gut. Intense cramps can be debilitating, not a relaxing experience. Dehydration is another risk. It depletes essential fluids. Severe cases may require hospitalization. Water is essential for survival. Depleting water reserves is dangerous. When a cleanse becomes dangerous, cleanses can strip your body of essential nutrients. Our bodies need a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals. These nutrients support strong bones and a healthy immune system. Castor oil can deplete these essential nutrients. Imagine your digestive system as a train station. Castor oil pushes nutrients off the platform. This leads to weakened bones, fatigue, and a compromised immune system. Short-term weight loss, long-term health damage. Our bodies need nourishment, not deprivation. True health comes from nourishing our bodies. Long-term risks. Playing with fire. Long-term use of castor oil for weight loss is dangerous. It disrupts your digestive system, causing irritation and inflammation. This can lead to chronic issues like IBS and even cancer. Respect your digestive system. Avoid reckless experimentation. Prioritize long-term health with sustainable lifestyle changes. The 97% reality check. Experts agree. Castor oil is not a sustainable or healthy weight loss solution. 97% of people fail with this method, feeling more defeated. Our bodies need balance, nourishment, and respect, not quick fixes. Extreme measures like castor oil are like forcing a square peg into a round hole. Why castor oil fails the weight loss test. Castor oil weight loss is a misconception. It's water loss, not fat loss, leading to dehydration. True weight loss involves diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Sustainable changes support overall health and well-being. Beyond the hype, a doctor's perspective. A board-certified internist warns against quick-fix weight loss solutions. Castor oil is not a magic bullet. Misuse can have serious consequences. Seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. There's so much misinformation online. Your health is too precious to gamble with. Talk to your doctor, get personalized advice, and choose evidence-based solutions. Address the root causes of weight gain. Weight management reduces risks for serious health conditions. Focus on sustainable lifestyle changes. Improve your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Don't be swayed by quick fixes or unrealistic beauty standards. Your health is an investment, not an expense. Choose wisely, seek professional guidance, and prioritize sustainable solutions. We've covered the risks and debunked the myths surrounding castor oil for weight loss. If you're still curious, it's crucial to proceed with extreme caution and consult your doctor. Your doctor can assess your health and advise on proper use to minimize risks. Remember, even natural substances can have potent effects. Always seek professional advice. Even if you've consulted with your doctor, it's crucial to pay close attention to your body's signals. If you experience severe stomach cramps, persistent diarrhea, dizziness, weakness, fainting, rapid heartbeat, or bloody stools, discontinue use immediately and contact your doctor. Castor oil is not a long-term solution. Using it repeatedly can damage your digestive system and lead to health complications. Address the root cause of the problem rather than masking it with a quick fix. We've journeyed deep into the world of castor oil, uncovering its deceptive promises and potential dangers. The truth is, there's no shortcut to sustainable weight loss. It's not about punishing your body with extreme measures or falling for trendy quick fixes. It's about making conscious, informed choices that nourish your body and support your overall well-being. True, lasting weight loss starts with a holistic approach that addresses the foundations of a healthy lifestyle. Instead of restricting and depriving yourself, focus on nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods that provide sustained energy and support optimal function. Think colorful fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants, lean protein to fuel your muscles, and fiber-rich whole grains to keep you feeling satisfied. And let's not forget the power of movement. Find an activity that brings you joy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, cycling, or simply taking a brisk walk in nature. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be a celebration of what your body can do. Most importantly, remember that true well-being encompasses not just your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Manage stress through mindfulness practices, prioritize sleep, cultivate self-love, and surround yourself with a supportive community that uplifts and empowers you. The pressure to conform to unrealistic beauty standards can be overwhelming in today's world. But remember that your worth is not defined by a number on the scale or the size of your jeans. Your body is your own unique and incredible vessel, deserving of respect, nourishment, and love. regardless of its shape or size. Don't let social media trends dictate your health journey or make you feel inadequate. Those perfectly filtered photos and edited videos often mask the hard work, dedication, and sometimes even unhealthy measures behind them. Instead of striving for an unattainable ideal, focus on becoming the healthiest and happiest version of yourself. Embrace your individuality, celebrate your progress, and remember that true beauty radiates from within, from a place of self-love, confidence, and unwavering self-acceptance. We're all in this together. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we empower each other to prioritize our health, challenge unrealistic beauty standards, and celebrate the incredible diversity of our bodies. Remember, you are strong, you are capable, and you are worthy of a healthy, fulfilling life.